Okay, I've tried to take off as much of the front as possible. Problem is that when I tried to take off the cam caps, I broke this guy. It's one of my torque splits. So now I have to go and buy a new set of torque splits. But one thing that I did notice is that on the cam caps, on the nuts for the cam caps, there were a lot of sludge in the bottom row of them, which I then cleaned out, so it's not looking too bad. But hopefully there isn't much sludge at the bottom, but I wouldn't count on being right on that one. I'm sure this motor has a lot of sludge in it. So stripped out all of the front end parts, including the other turbo that was on this motor. If you look at the part number over there, it starts with 5304, so that means, well, I think it means that it's a KO4, and the other one is exactly the same, or not exactly the same, but it starts with 5304 as well. So, which means that there's two KO4s on this. There were two KO4s on this motor, so I need to do a bit more reading to see what exactly the power output was on it. I think I read a while back that it was a 169 kilowatt motor, so it should be a good base to start off with to put bigger KO4s. I took these out yesterday as well. Didn't have an extraction tool, so I just threaded the bolt into the cams and then backed it out 2 turns and then just whack it with a hammer until it released, the same way you'd take off a brake disc if it was seized to your hub. So yeah, it came out quite nicely. I also removed the aircon compressor from this side and the bracket. 3 bolts holding the compressor to the bracket, and then it wasn't rocket science to take it out. So we're making progress. Just need to take out a few more little things here and there, and I should be able to strip out the heads and then turn it over and strip out the crank and pull the pistons and rods out to check those out. So yeah, making good progress. So I just took off, I think it's a PCV cover or something like that. It looks like it has to do with the gases that like the crankcase gases that escape. So this is what this looks like. It's not too bad. I've seen much worse, but damn, I'm gonna need to clean this block out properly. Yeah, it does look like it's for PCV or some other emissions system. And then this here, I think this has to do with the oil distributor for the turbos or some sort of, yeah, something like that. I'm not too familiar with these blocks, so I'm learning as I go along. But this is interesting. There's a lot of crud in here. I don't know whether that's from outside or whether that's been here over time, but definitely needs a lot of cleaning, but a hot tanking, just to get all of that loosened up. I'm gonna have to probably flush the block to get all the oil galleys and that cleaned up.